Guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Match Bett&win. I want to show you this latest trees working very well now. This trees comes with 2.50 odd, 2.50 odd. That is 2 odd 0.50. This odd is almost like 3 odd. This is the trees working very well now. This 2.50 odd comes on this 15-minute score first. For example, let me start from the first one. 2.50 odd. This 2.50 odd works on direct winning. It works on yes score before 15 minutes, like teams to score within 15 minutes. There must be a score either home or away. So this 2.50 odd, let me see where see it. If you see it, make sure that other leagues don't have it. The one following the time doesn't have it. You have to be careful about this. This is very odd. The odd that is working perfectly now, but all you need to do is to follow up how the team works, the strategy I use for it. 15-minute score 2.50, 15-minute score 2.50. Maybe it's not available right now. That odd is working perfectly. Let's check other league if you can see it. That is a score before 15 minutes. They will score. It's also working on direct home winning. Home winning direct odd. Once you see 2.50, make sure the following league doesn't have it, because if they have it, that one is going to play it. For example, see the odd I'm talking about. You see it, 2.50 odd. See it. So they will score within 15 minutes. But how you know the ones that will score it? Because sometimes they use odd here to confuse you. They will put this 2.50 for England and still put it on La Liga. You see it. Then one of it will play it, one of it will not play it. Then one of it will be the one they want to use to repeat the odd again in order for it not to work. So there is a strategy on how to know that particular one that will play. So I'm supposed to mention it here now, but if I mention it, they may change it. Yes, they will change it. So I don't have to mention it here. There is strategy you use. For example, on over 2.5 on England, you see 1.68 odd on over 2.5 for England. Then now go to La Liga, you see the same thing. There is a strategy you're going to use, and you will pick the right one that will not fail. So that strategy, if I say it now, they will change it. But I want to show you the odds that are working for 15-minute score. 2.50 is working. 1.68 is working. 1.79 is working. 2.23 is a 2 odd. It's working for 15-minute score. Then 2.31 is working, but the no first 15 minutes. If it has, for example, you see for yes 2.31, then for no you see 2.61, it's not going to work. So but a strategy you use in case if they repeat the odd somewhere, you will know the right one to choose. That's why you see odd that's supposed to play for over 2.5, for example, they will not play because they repeat the odd somewhere. The odd have played for another league, then they now bring it to this league you are now. So without you knowing that they have already posted that odd for another league, then you go and pick the wrong one. End of the day, you see the game will lose. So there is a strategy I normally use for this. I will know teams that will play if they repeat odd. I will know team that will play. That's the strategy I use. So if I say it now, they will change it. So in case you need that strategy, you can chat me on WhatsApp or 07036760527. 07036760527. So let me show you the teams. Another particular tricks I will post for you guys here. This go and over 2.5 has its own tricks here. It has own tricks here. Let's go on over 2.5. Most especially for 2.69 odd, 2.78 odd, 2.73 odd. That is the strategy to get that particular odd on go and over 2.5. And there is strategy for 202 for go and over 2.5. This odd you see here. There's a strategy for it. Because they may repeat this odd somewhere you don't know. So there's a strategy for it. So you have to be careful when picking any option on Zoom. Make sure the odd is not repeated somewhere. You need that strategy to know when they will repeat the odd somewhere. All right, this is Bett&win. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video. All right, see you on the next video. First of all, before I go, let me drop these trees for you guys. This is a chance miss. This chance miss is another simple option that works very well on Zoom Soccer. So this simple option comes like this. See this draw or over 1.5 is working perfectly. Either they play draw or they play 2 goals or over. More than 2 goals, you won. So the only thing that is not needed here is 1-0. You don't need it. This is a very simplest option for Zoom. Simplest option. Just know people that will play draw, then know people that will score over 1.5. Then you pick it here, you're good to go. Okay, for example, see this thing I'm talking about. You see 1.21. You see here 1.21. You may see these two now. You'll be surprised that 2 of them will not play. 1 of them will play. You see it, but the strategy you will use on this now, you know the right one to use, to pick. So that's exactly what I'm talking about. You see 1.21 is repeated here. 1.21 is repeated here. Let me see if there's another place they repeat it. Let me see. Even this 1.20 is repeated here again. You see Sparta here you go. You see it 1.20 is repeated here. You can see it again here on the first. You see it's repeated here again, 1.20. You see it, one of it will play, one of it will not play. There is a strategy and tricks for it. Then see this one here. You see 1.21 is repeated 3 times. You see 2 will play, 1 will not play. You see it. You see it, 1, 2, 3. That is exactly what I mean. So once you see all this in, you have to be careful. You're supposed to know that strategy. It's very important. It works for the whole option on Zoom. No one when they repeat odd. So anytime they repeat odd, sometimes they will not play exactly what they played before. They will play it in another way. For example, we see home with 1.83 as a direct winning. They play in the morning. Then in the afternoon, they repeat it again. It's not going to play home again. Either they play draw or away will win. But there is strategy for others. Just give you an example of that one. But there is strategy they use for others. For over 2.5 overs and the others. There is a strategy for it. Alright guys, this is where I'll stop now. See you on the next video. This is Bett&win. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video. Alright, see you on the next video. Merry Christmas in advance.